What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit services on Fresha. So, first, you may want to head over to fresha.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, look for this book icon that is named Catalog and click on it. And make sure that you are redirected on the service menu. And from this page is where you can add and edit your services. To add the service, just click on the add button. And from here, you can choose if you want to add a single service, bundle, or category. To add the single service, just click on it. And from here, start by adding basic details about the service, such as service name, service type, category. You can also add in description, and of course, pricing and duration. In the left panel, you can also switch to team members. You can assign your staff on specific services. You can also add resources. You can also edit the settings. You have an option to make this service available for online booking. You can also add forms that your clients can fill up. And of course, commissions and more settings. Then once everything is done, just head over and click on save. If you want to edit a specific service from your service menu lists, just look for the specific service that you want to edit. Say, for example, we want to edit details about haircut. And so just beside it, just click on the three dot icon, then click on the edit button. And from here, you can start editing details about this service. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!